Another police detective dies in hospital. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. In a statement on Sunday, the Central Committee of the Jamaica Police Federation expressed condolences to the management and staff of the St. Andrews Central Police Division on the passing of Detective Sergeant Willie Porter. Described as an outstanding veteran of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF), Detective Sergeant Porter died on Sunday at the University Hospital of the West Indies, where he was admitted on Thursday with a medical complication. Porter's death followed the sudden passing of Detective Corporal Dalton Hemmings, who was assigned to the Center of Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse Sisoko on Friday. Reports are that Hemmings was at home when he complained that he was not feeling well. He was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead later. News of his death has left members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in shock, and this has compounded by the passing of Detective Porter. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.